Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am using one palette for 5 days, so I figured I would use the Tartelette palette, and I was inspired to do this by a YouTuber named Asia Monet. I will leave her link down below. So for day 1, I used Force of Nature in the crease, Wanderer on the lid, and Dreamer and Multitasker on the lash line to give it that like eyeliner effect. And on the lips, I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. So for day 2, I'm using Supermom, Force of Nature, Wanderer, Natural Beauty in the crease and on the lower lash line. Then I'm using Natural Beauty and Wanderer in the outer V, and a Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter on the lid for some sparkle. And on the lips, I use the Too Faced lipstick in Naked Dolly. For day 3, I used Free Spirit, Force of Nature, Wanderer, and Dreamer in the crease, Nillionair from ColourPop on the lid, Force of Nature and Wanderer on the lower lash line, and the NYX Wonder Pencil in the waterline. And for lips, I used a lipstick from Makeup Revolution, and it's like a really pretty berry shade. It doesn't have a name, unfortunately. For day 4 and 5, I got inspired from Tarte's Instagram, where they just literally went across the palette. So that's what I did. So for day 4, I used Caregiver, Natural Beauty, Best Friend, and Bombshell in the crease, Caregiver on the lid, Natural Beauty on the lower lash line, and on the lips, I used Smashbox lip gloss in Pout. And for day 5, I used Supermom, Wanderer, and Power Player in the crease, Supermom on the lid, Fashionista in the lash line, and then on my lips, I'm wearing the NYX Butter Gloss in Eclair. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if I should do more of these videos with other palettes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!